How to know if someone is online on Facebook. Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can know your friend is online on Facebook. So before get started, if you are new here, please consider to subscribe my channel and like the video. So first open your Facebook app, and then on the top right corner or bottom right corner you will see menu button. Just click on that. Now scroll down and then go to the settings and privacy. After that click on settings. Now scroll down and then go to the audience and visibility, and under the audience and visibility on the bottom you will see active status. Just click on that, show when you are active. Now click on enable and there you go. So now if your friend is online, you will see online status there. Now if you go back to your friend list, then you will see the online status is active if they are online. So that's how you can know if someone is online on Facebook. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.